Hi guys, this is Aves and today we are going to look at how we can use if formula in Excel. Assume that we have a lot of data consisting of employees and we are going to pay them this much salary, right? Now what we have to find out is that whether their salary is subject to tax or not. So as per the scenario, we are assuming that if anyone who is getting above 9,500 is going to be subject to taxation. So let's start by using equal to if. So we will write equal to and then if. Now it is asking for the logical test. Here logical test is whether Javed's salary is more than applicable value or not, right? So we will press this and then greater than sign and then this, which is saying that whether C3, which is Javed's salary, is more than F3, which is applicable value, right? And then we will press comma to go on to the next string. So here it is asking that if that is true, what we are going to do. So I will say that if that is true, that Javed's salary is more than 9,500, then once again pick up Javed's salary, multiply it with the tax rate, right? And then by putting comma, now it is asking me that what if the value is false? What if what you are saying is not? Then I will say that just give me the blanks, right? So these strings are used to give blanks, right? That is how you create blank. So I don't want anything. The logical test fails. I don't want anything, right? So by doing that and pressing tab, here you can see that it is giving me certain value that alright, his salary was above 9,500 figure and also the applicable tax rate when multiplied to his salary is going to give this much result, right? Amount payable to tax department is 1,499, right? So that is how we can use if formula.